So how do you scan a document on the iPad and make it a PDF? Let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you're not going to miss anything important. Now on the iPad, you can literally open up the Files app and just decide where exactly you need the document to appear. So you can go to your iPad section, perhaps create a brand new folder. But then what you have the ability to do is to click on the options right here, and you have the ability to basically scan a document right there. So tapping on the three dots, scan a document like this, and you need to just position it into the camera. You don't really even have to press the button for the shutter, as it's just going to be aligned automatically and it will be captured into your folder or where exactly you decided to be. So all you have to do is just to click on the done button and it will be saved, right? So you have the ability to name it whatever you want. And essentially this file right here, if you hold down on it and click on the get information button, you can see that this is already a PDF document, right? So it's pretty cool because you can go ahead and essentially scan your documents like this and they are automatically in the PDF format, meaning that you can share them over the internet or do basically whatever you need. You will just have the PDF right away. So that's everything I wanted to show you in this video. Go ahead and let me know below in the comments if this is what you were looking for. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorials.